like a star. Thought I was wrong, yeah. I thought I was wrong, got ready to shine. I've been on my grind, money on my mind. The glory is mine, yeah. The glory is mine.
What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Weirdo Queen. And if you're not new here and you still not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're doing. Comme si, abonne-toi, 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 subscribe, give me some like and share my video. But on a serious note, again, welcome back to my channel. And basically in today's video, I will be showing you my routine when I wash my hair and how I install this. I will not show you how to install it parce qu'on s'entend, je suis vraiment pas une hairstylist. Ça se peut que je le fasse de la mauvaise façon. But I'm still learning, you still learning, we still learning, like, don't judge me. Mais c'est détail, c'est pas grave. Ça teste sur ma tête ou pas? Comme, you know, when I'm trying, it's not that bad, like, parce que je suis en ce moment là, ton lace là, girl, je suis sur la fille qui te coiffe là, habituellement là, elle peut pas t'aider. She cannot help you because it's quarantine. Don't judge me, I'm trying. Il fait vraiment chaud, il fait un petit peu vraiment beaucoup chaud. Faudrait genre, il fait chaud, c'est même pas drôle, bro. The way it's hot out here, bro. Move like a snake, hey, like a snake. But yeah, so I will show you guys how I install the Water Wave 22 inches 6x6 closure on my head today. Also, thank you for the love and the support. I enjoyed the process, you know, baby steps, like I said. So yeah, so let's get into the video, guys. Bye.
Bye.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Stop playing! What the fuck? Stop playing! What the fuck is that? Ah!
Okay.
A few moments later.
You win.
Okay, so là j'essaie de me faire des braids. Je suis pas, like, I'm not that good. I don't do cornrows.
Oh, now you can't speak English.
Des tikouris. I don't know how to do that, but I have to try. So, let's go. Wow, il n'y a pas de peigne là-dedans, comme si c'est vrai. How the heck am I supposed to do that? Donc j'ai vu une forme, elle a fait 4 gros stress. Jessie Who, I don't know if you know who it is. Jessie Who. J'ai toujours une peigne comme ça, juste. En fait, j'ai un glitch comme. Ok, mais je vais chercher un peigne là, puis je reviens parce que. Guys, the oil. It doesn't want to focus. Damn, that's sad. Hello. C'est pas comme ça que ça fonctionne. Bro, tu fais un balai comme ça. Anyways, okay. Whoa. So I'll just put a little bit, not too much, on the tip of my fingers. Et puis après, on va aller frotter le crâne pour bien hydrater. Puis après, a little bit more. Hein? Tu veux bien?
Yeah.
Tu peux bien? Ah, excuse-moi.
Tu laisses le bas de cheveux, le local dans ta gueule.
Non, non, c'est bon.
Tout ça, tout le bas de cheveux.
Salon. Je suis
Mais
dans...
pas cheveux, non, là.
Ah. Alright, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing, but I have to do 4 braids. So je vais les faire comme ça. 1.
Dude, what the fuck?
2, 3, and 4. I never did that before. It's actually my first time. This is gonna be really interesting. Les petits points sont tombés à terre. They died. They died. They died. Ok, mais c'est parce que j'ai pas d'élastique. C'est moi ton pou. Oh my god. I'm about to lose my mind because I'm wasting time. Boop, 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 boop. I'm hot, man. I'm hot like a hot mango. What is a hot mango? I don't know.
Bruh. It is what it is. It is what it is.
So yesterday my camera died. I look crazy. Je m'en vais au Walmart avec ma mère. And I have to go back to Jean Coutu after that because I need to get my pills because I ain't trying to get pregnant. So yeah, j'attends ma mère. On va aller acheter des trucs pour la fête à ma petite soeur. Just stay tuned. So I'm back home. I had to buy so many stuff today. Now, today, I will be showing you how to install. I mean, how I install parce qu'on s'entend, je suis pas une hairdresser pour prendre tout. Ça se peut que qu'est-ce que je fais, ça n'a pas de sens. So this is from the Truth Hair, the box. This is the box. Kiki's, this is me. That's my other name. That was my first nickname actually. A little thank you. So in the box we have this. Alright, so make sure you have here we go, 25 minutes. There's 9 minutes left, but I think it's good from what I see. So yellowish, and it look. Oh yeah, I messed up bad. Look at my roots. Ugh. So thank God I was able to run to the store and get some chestnut color. Like yeah, you can tell here. I tried to save the wig, but it got a little too dark for me, so I had to bleach again. I mean, it's not ugly.
What?
I make some sense, but it's not the best
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
that I'm doing right now. Like, it's not like
Bro,
crazy,
I'm out,
crazy.
man.
It's not like, oh girl, you killed the hairstyle. Like, nope, don't ask me to do your hair. Don't ask me to show you how to do this or that, because clearly I don't know how to do my hair. I mean, I'm cool, but shit, I ain't tripping over this, but hey, I'm not a hairstylist, that's for sure. I'm trying to do my hair and it's so complicated. I thought I would be good, but I suck. I don't know how to do my hair. I suck. I thought I'd be good. Qu'est-ce que ça fait?
Tu vas dormir avec? Ah, tu l'installes?
Ouais, mais c'est pas collé. C'est de la misère. C'est
Ça fait longtemps qu'on n'a pas mis.
Ouais.
Et vous l'habitude.
My camera is gonna die. I'm fed up. Okay, so anyways, I will show you guys the end result tomorrow or later. I'll charge my camera and then I'll come back to you again. I need a second battery because shit, I'm fed up, bro. It's always the same thing. Anywho, coming back again.
Been on my own for so long, made it this far where I belong. Bright like a star, thought I was wrong, yeah. I thought I was wrong, got ready to shine. I've been on my grind, money on my mind, the glory is mine.